Hey, my peeps, let's make some watermelon donuts. So you're going to start out with some green clay as your base. You're just going to roll it out into a ball, flatten it, and just make a hole in the middle. So I already have some donuts that were pre-made and they dried out. You're going to get you some pink clay. And I rolled it out pretty thin. I didn't want it to be like too thick. So I'm getting one of those flower shaped cutters. And that's going to be my icing for on top of my donut. So try to place it as centered as you can. And then you're going to get a tool, your finger, or anything, and just stick it right back in that hole in the middle of your donut. Just to get that hole back. Make sure you flatten it down nicely and it's sticking to the clay. So now I'm just going to get some tacky glue. And I'm just going to put some on there. All over the top part of the icing on my donut. And then I'm going to put on some tiny seeds. These are fake, what you call them seeds? Sesame seeds, but black sesame seeds. These are fake and you can get them on Playco 3, but they look so cute and tiny and they're perfect for this watermelon donut. So then I'm going to take some pink iridescent glitter and just sprinkle that on top of that. Then I'm going to go in with my green, dark green paint, and I'm just going to make rind marks. You don't have to do this part. If you don't want to, you could just leave the donut the way it is. It's perfectly fine, but I figured since I had already made these lines on the other watermelon items that I made, I was just going to go on ahead and add the lines, but you don't have to. Okay, because it looks pretty without the lines too. Now, I'm going to make another donut, but this time I'm going to use the mixture of caulk, Mod Podge, and paint. And we're just going to spread that on the donut like icing, you know. This is also like the cream glue that I shared the other day. If you have cream glue, you can use cream glue. You don't even have to make this concoction. But since I already had it, I said, let me just use it. So again, it's caulk, Mod Podge, and paint. And now I'm going to stick some watermelon sprinkles on there. And then I made this watermelon mixture, which is green, pink, white. It has some of the little sesame seeds in there. It has a whole bunch of stuff in there. I can't even tell you what's in there. It's a lot of stuff. It's a really pretty mixture I made for the watermelon collection I did. And I'm finally getting to use it. I didn't think I was going to get to use it, but I'm going to use it on these donuts. And that's it, guys. I'm not putting any lines on this donut. I'll put some glitter on there, but I'm not going to put the lines. I'm just going to leave it as a green donut with pink icing and sprinkles. Okay, so there you go, guys. Easy peasy donuts. Make them with the lines, without the lines, however you want. Now go make some and add it to your watermelon collection. Talk to you soon. Bye.